AirVantage Electric Sander Kit comes with an electric sander, power supply, DC cable, and a pad of your choice. The lowest profile in the industry provides unparalleled control, maneuverability, and feedback. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Go green. The main input voltage is 100 to 240 volts AC, and output is 30 volts DC. 5A. It has 85% min. The efficiency with 47 to 63 Hz main frequency. It is more energy efficient than Air tools. Number 2. Quiet operation. The AirVantage Electric Sander Kit has an average decibels level of 70 to 75. More quiet compared to Air tools. Number 3. Patented design. The operating temperature is 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, 23 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit with humidity of 10 to 90% H. Number 4. Power. Advanced outrunner brushless DC motor generates high torque with adjustable speed settings, 7,000, 9,000, and 10,000 RPM. Number 5. Aggressive cut. The 316-inch Orbits model has more aggressive cutting for removing materials. Number 6. Peace of mind. This product is FCC, C certified, and RoHS compliant to ensure your safety. It also comes with 1-year limited warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. So please purchase with confidence. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does the button on top have any speed control to it like an air-powered sander? Answer: yes. The throttle lever can adjust speed like the air-powered sanders. Question number 2. Vac ready? Answer: you will still need to provide your own 1-inch vac hose and a vacuum machine. Question number 3. What hole pattern does this sander pad have? Answer: the hole patterns are 5 holes for the 5 inches divided by 6 holes for the 6 inches. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.